Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to buy or swap SNX token. So first of all, you're just gonna need a MetaMask wallet. What is MetaMask wallet? It's just a digital wallet that you keep your crypto on it. So let's say you don't have a MetaMask account, all you need to do is just go down below on our channel and you'll find out how to create your MetaMask wallet. So let's say you already have the MetaMask wallet or you just create a new one. You'll just need to come here at coinmarketcap.com. This is gonna appear to you and you'll just go here at search and then press, then type SNX. After that you go here, then go to more, copy the address on the Binance Smart Chain network. Make sure to copy this address so you do not get any scams. Then after that you'll just go to the Pancakeswap website. After you go to the Pancakeswap website, this is gonna appear to you and you'll just go here to the trade section, then press swap. After that you'll first need to connect your wallet by simply clicking at connect wallet, then choose MetaMask or any other wallet you're using. In our case, I'm using MetaMask. So for me it's connected directly because I already connected once before in this website. So if it's your first time, they will simply ask you to just click another next and another connects. So let's say already connects your wallet, you'll just need to come here at cake, then paste the address. After pasting the address, if this appears to you, if this active appears to you, that means the token is already added to the Pancakeswap website. So all you need to do is click again on cake, then just type SNX, press here, then all you need to do is just enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap. So let's say for example I want to swap 1 BNB. I do have 1 BNB in my wallet and I want to swap just 1 BNB. They will show you here the amount of SNX that you are going to get, and you will simply just press swap and you'll be all done. So that's it guys for the video. I hope you like it, and if you do, leave a like and a comment down below and do not forget to subscribe.